Of course, parents rely on child care and other programs while they're at work, and today COVID-19 forced the YMCA's summer school-age child care programs, which are off-site, to pause for a couple of weeks.
News 8 Now's Jordan Fremstad tells us about the challenges local programs face to keep their doors open and children safe.
Parents hit the road every day to provide for their children. Their children need a place to go during that time.
This field is one of the most important, I believe, and I don't think it gets the recognition it deserves.
Red Balloon Child Care Executive Director Jenny Buckholtz oversees an operation of great responsibility, a leadership role that requires a little more of her right now.
Without these hardworking teachers, parents couldn't go to work. They could not do the jobs that they do.
COVID-19 has created a whole new lesson on health.
We've always taught the kids to wash their hands 50 times a day, so that hasn't changed a lot.
Buckholtz says Red Balloon has been fortunate to stay open throughout this entire pandemic.
We consolidated our two programs. That also kept us within the numbers.
Both of their locations are open now.
Our parents have been great, though, very cooperative, very understanding.
The La-crosse area-family-ymca is not so fortunate this time around.
We have a situation of some positive COVID cases within our school-age team.
The news does not affect the Y's two branches in La Crosse and Onalaska. However, Director of Youth Development Jenny Meldy says 12 off-site locations of school-age children's programs are closed until June 22nd.
We want to take a proactive approach to shutting down our programs so that we can really prevent the spread of COVID-19 in our community.
It's a moment of truth that COVID-19 didn't disappear with safer at home restrictions.
Those decisions are an important message to say that's exactly what we need to see.
La-crosse County Health Director Jen Rumbalski says we can't forget about social distancing and limiting our trips.
Thinking about our workforce, thinking about our friends and families, we can't stop doing the things that we've been recommended to do.
The spread affects places like this, and when child care facilities close, some parents may not be able to do their jobs.
So without us, they have to scramble, and that's what really worries us. Not everybody has a family around, and so they have to find a different way to make things work.
In La Crosse and Onalaska, this is Jordan Fremstad, News 8 Now.
The county does perform contact tracing, and that does help children and staff who may have been in contact with these staff members to try to self-quarantine.